Top of the morning, got a few tires left to send today. Most people's cars are broken or pretty damn close. This car, still rocking. Let's have a little bit more fun today.
How bad did Garren his car review?
Let's do a little Garren destruction review of the car this weekend. Let's check it out.
Did your rear bumper?
Oh yeah, that's good, dude. I wonder who did that. That's crazy.
Enemy territory.
You know, we're not going to mention the fact that your motor's hanging on by a ratchet strap. Telling you what, guys, I think the two best cars that you could probably have on a track like this is something like this, like my 46, or G35s are a really good option too. They're just Z's, but you can find them for cheaper. The only thing I want to fix on this car is the steering doesn't feel right. It should feel a lot more effortless. I want to adjust suspension a bit more because it still feels too snappy and it's a little inconsistent. And then also, I need a racing seat. You wouldn't believe how much better you can drive just by having a seat to where you're not tossed around in. So I'm gonna toss one of my Corvos in here. All right, first lap of the day. Let's see how she goes. Because I can't clutch kick, it really kind of makes it rough, but I do this funny pedal dance between the handbrake and the main brake. The main brake still allows you to rotate, but it slows you down a little bit more. And then this allows you to control slowing down while not oversteering as much. A little dance here and there to keep my front end straightened, and this thing can rip. So much fun, guys. This car is amazing. If I put a more aggressive setup on this thing, you know, it could be more aggressive, but this is perfect for grassroots and learning. Exactly how it is right now. I'm just pushing it too hard. I gotta put a cushion down because Garren's tall ass. I can't even see over the dash. I can see! Oh my God. Is this seat like, does it move? Why am I so short, dude? All right, this is gonna be rough. Let's go, Cinder. I can't even push the clutch in all the way, so we'll see how the clutch kicks go. Yeah, this car's a cheater. I've never even driven one of these cars in my life. The BMW is way snappier, so you have to think a lot quicker, which does in turn make you a better driver, but you can really slow down and focus on the movements. Like, I feel like I have enough time to think about left foot braking in this car. I definitely don't in the BMW. not being able to see over the dash, if I do say so myself. I'm about to hop in my E46 and be like, damn, this is hard. Cheater car. Cheater car. Yeah, this car is ridiculously fun.
I can't even talk. Oh my goodness, you took my breath away, Evan. Dude, you're out here killing. Dude, I don't got no tires. Like, your progression is insane.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it, man.
Dude, you're out here just wearing a suit and tie out here, dude. Hey, we're dancing.
You wanna go again?
Yes, please. I appreciate it, man. Dude, this is amazing. And you're killing it, man. I can't wait to see you in Pro-Am.
Thanks, dude. It'll be fun.
You'll see me in the stands. Style! Dude, you looked at me, I thought I was looking at the Stig. I'm gonna have to enter for this one, dude.
Yeah, dude, this is
I'm gonna have to enter.
I hope this goes to somebody like that really wants to get into drifting, because like you can see it's been out for 2 days, half a tank of gas, and it just sends all day long.
Evan, thank you so much, brother.
Yeah, of course, man.
Good to meet you as well, man. Oh my god.
That was good. I need to do a cool down, yeah. Okay, I don't know how much tire I have left. I just did. There is something super funky about the way this car steers that I'd love to figure out. My neck is literally starting to hurt because of how much my back is having to do keeping my body straight. Like, you don't ever underestimate what a good seat can do for you. He's on 100 treadwear semi-slicks right now, and this chassis is gripped up enough to where I can at least like kind of keep up with him. grippier than mine. It's so hard to keep up. I think I might have broke something right there.
I think so.
Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a good final run.
That was real good. That was crazy.
I was trying too hard to hit his door. That's the problem. Good car. It lasted all weekend with all those tires, and the thing that sent it off was me hitting Garren. So we need to replace the tie rod, but I think the things that's like literally my neck hurts right now from trying to stay upright in the seat. A nice racing seat, just another clutch, a more grippy setup for tires and better steering. The angle adapters on this is like super touchy, and that's why I actually ended up smacking Garren right there, because I just did a little bit of an adjustment, and I don't know if it's over centering or not, but yeah, we got a full angle kit coming for this just to make the steering a little bit better. Not necessarily to give us a crutch, but your Ackerman and over centering can be real problems for drift cars like this, and so we want to make sure that it steers right and feels good. But good car. We need to hit up some body kit companies, get a body kit. Garren got us a little good tap ski right there. Got some work for Jose to do.
It was cool though. It was a gentle tap from my side, but these things are tin cans.
Yeah, I guess
so
they're tin cans.
If you did the same probably amount of tap on my door, it'd probably be fine.
Hey guys, every $5 you spend, you can get this amazing car, which literally drove all weekend, 0 problems. I mean, how many laps do you think we did? Like 100? No problems at all.
You can catch up to people.
Dude.
Perfect seat time grassroots car.
That's the idea. So literally, one of you guys can come out something. Yeah, you can literally keep up with a gripped up G35, enough seat time. It's a good car. So every $5 you spend, you get 1 entry here, and we're doing 2 entries right now. So you not only get entered into winning the Supra, but you also get entered into winning the 330. It's not double entries per se, but we're doing 2 giveaways at once. So you get entered no matter what. If you spend $5, it goes to both giveaways. So it's a pretty huge deal. One of you guys, honestly, I'd be more psyched about this than the Supra.
This is cool.
That's just me.
For grassroots and
yeah, this car's awesome. Can't wait to do some stuff with it, but it was amazing. It lasted all weekend, and we just broke something minor, but my tires are dead anyway. We broke some tie rods. Anyways, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.